We would love you to be a part of Bridge Classic Cars' most ambitious project to date.
This is a big one. So about a year ago, we released A Story of Rilee. Rilee is a 1905 vintage car, and it's a character that was created especially for children. Alongside that, it's now got a YouTube channel, it's now got a kids section of the website, and our next aim, the book comes out at Christmas, our next aim is to try and get Rilee and the messaging of sustainability and history into our schools. We're going to start the tour in Suffolk, obviously because we're based in Suffolk, and then hopefully we can take it further afield from there.
Yes, so what we're going to take into the schools is an hour altogether, or maybe a little bit more. So we'll have a 45 minutes performance where it's going to be the story of Rilee brought to life. And then after that, we're going to have a 15 to 20 minute workshop with the children to talk about sustainability and what they can do at home.
So there are around 300 schools in Suffolk. We're thinking there is around 50 to 60,000 children in Suffolk at the moment. So this is who we want to go in and speak to. The challenge we've got at the moment, we've sent emails into the schools. The feedback is phenomenal. They love the idea because not many people can go in with a theatre and education concept. They love the fact that we're local as well. The challenges we've got and we're faced with is schools don't have a funding for this sort of thing. What they have to do is they have to turn to the parents, and the parents will tend to pay a couple of quid into the PTA groups, and then that can help fund things like this. So our aim is to try and get into schools for free. We don't want to charge the schools anything. We're not trying to make any money out of this at all ourselves. We've invested a heck of a lot of money in the kids program so far, and we will continue to do so. But our aim now is to try and get into these schools without the schools having to pay for the privilege.
Yes, and this is where we need your help. But we understand that you don't have to do anything without getting something in return, really.
Absolutely, yeah. So we have a huge social media presence, as you probably know. If you're in Suffolk, hopefully you'll know about Bridge Classic Cars. We have a lot of people visit our website. One of the biggest things we're doing at the moment, speaking to our audience, is the Driver magazine, which goes to 80,000 people. So as part of your investment, all we're looking for 20 businesses to all pay £1,000. That £20,000 will get us, hopefully, into the schools. We'll be able to afford the staff and things like that to be able to get in. And, like I say, we're not trying to make any money out of it ourselves. But as part of your investments, not only do you get to talk about it and do something very positive in Suffolk, but also we'll give you presence on our platforms as well. So you'll be featured in the Driver magazine. We'll talk about you on our websites. Obviously, we do a lot of video content, so there'll be a lot of that goes along with it. So hopefully you'll consider it to be a relatively small investment. I hope you do, but if we can get 20 businesses involved, that will be able to take us into schools and not have to ask the schools for any money.
So if you would like even more information, there is some information underneath this video, but thank you so much for watching.